Building wealth and achieving financial freedom starts with one crucial step: financial literacy. In this video, we'll explore the importance of understanding personal finance and how it can help you make informed decisions about your money. From budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt, we'll dive into the essential skills you need to know to get rich. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, this video will provide you with a comprehensive guide to achieving financial literacy and setting yourself up for long-term success. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards financial freedom and watch until the end to learn how to get rich with financial literacy. Join me as I dive into the challenge of mastering financial literacy and see if I can turn my knowledge into real wealth. Financial literacy, it's a topic that's often overlooked, yet it's the key to unlocking true wealth. In today's world, having a good understanding of personal finance is crucial to achieving financial success. Without it, you're left wandering in the dark, making decisions that can either make or break your bank account. Many people think that wealth is just about making a lot of money, but that's not entirely true. Having a lot of money doesn't necessarily mean you're financially literate. In fact, some of the richest people in the world have lost it all because they didn't know how to manage their finances properly. On the other hand, people who are financially literate can create wealth even on a modest income. When it comes to money, many of us have a lot of misconceptions. We often think that if we just make a bit more money, all our financial problems will disappear. But the truth is, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. We also tend to think that financial literacy is only for the wealthy, but that's not true. Financial literacy is for everyone, regardless of your income level or social status. A lack of financial literacy contributes to the financial struggles faced by many people. We get caught up in the cycle of debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering why we can't seem to get ahead. But it's not because we are not smart or capable, it's because we lack the knowledge and skills to manage our finances effectively. We need to break free from these misconceptions and take control of our financial lives. Budgeting, investing, and understanding credit, these are just a few aspects of financial literacy that can make a huge difference in our lives. By creating a budget, we can identify areas where we can cut back and allocate our money more effectively. By investing wisely, we can grow our wealth over time. And by understanding credit, we can avoid debt traps and build a strong credit score. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not having a clear picture of their financial situation. They don't know how much they're spending, they don't know how much they owe, and they don't know how much they need to save. By taking the time to track your expenses, create a budget, and set financial goals, you can take control of your finances and start building wealth. Another key aspect of financial literacy is understanding the different types of investments available to you. From stocks to real estate, there are many ways to grow your wealth, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. By diversifying your investments and taking a long-term approach, you can build a solid financial foundation. Let me share with you a powerful success story that illustrates the transformative impact of financial literacy. Sarah, a single mom in her mid-30s, was struggling to make ends meet. She was working multiple jobs just to pay the bills, but she was still drowning in debt. But then she decided to take control of her finances. She started by creating a budget, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and investing in herself by taking online courses to improve her skills. Within a year, she was debt-free and had started her own business, which was thriving. Sarah's story is not unique, but it's a testament to the power of financial literacy. By taking control of her finances, she was able to turn her life around and build a bright future for herself and her family. And it's not just about the money. Financial literacy gives you peace of mind. reduces stress, and allows you to live life on your own terms. Financial literacy is not just about managing your money, it's about managing your life. By taking the time to learn about personal finance, you can make informed decisions that will impact your life for years to come. So, to recap, financial literacy is the key to unlocking true wealth. It's not just about making a lot of money, it's about understanding how to manage your finances effectively. By creating a budget, investing wisely, and understanding credit, you can take control of your financial life and start building wealth. Don't let misconceptions about wealth hold you back. Take the first step towards financial literacy today. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on financial literacy? Share your comments below, and if you liked this video, be sure to check out another one on related financial topics.